Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how those trending quiz videos on social media get those smooth animated progress bars, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create an animated quiz progress bar using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a dynamic, eye-catching progress bar ready to use in your own viral quiz videos, even if you're brand new to animation or design. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva. You can use the free version, so don't worry if you don't have a paid account. When you're there, click on that big Create button up top. This is your starting line, the place where all your new projects are born. For this tutorial, we're going to work with a presentation format, so go ahead and select Presentation. This gives us a widescreen layout that's great for video and perfect for quizzes. Now, every good quiz needs an appealing cover image, right? So let's add an image to our slide. You can either upload your own or pick something from Canva's vast library. Think about what makes sense for your quiz, maybe a fun character if it's lighthearted or something sleek and modern for a knowledge challenge. Just drag it onto your slide and adjust its size or position until it feels just right. This image is going to set the mood for your quiz, so take a second here and have some fun with it. Next, we're building the progress bar base. Head over to Elements, find a rectangular shape, and drag it out onto your canvas. Here's the secret for that polished look. Round the corners all the way up to 100. This will give your progress bar a friendly, modern vibe that looks super professional. Imagine it like a battery indicator. It's way more inviting when it looks nice and smooth, not sharp or boxy. To give our bar more depth, let's add a frame. You want to use another rectangular shape, round those corners up to 100 as well, and lay it just on top of the first rectangle. Think of the first shape as the background, and this frame as the animated bar that will shrink as the questions go by. Line them up so they're perfectly matched. It should look like a bar sitting neatly inside an outline. Now for the color, let's make it pop. Click on the bar that's inside your frame and add a gradient color background from Canva's gradient elements. This gives that vibrant, dynamic feel you see in viral videos. Gradients really stand out and help your progress bar look sleek and premium, like it belongs in a pro quiz show. Here, where the animation magic happens. Grab your image and position it right at the start of the progress bar. This acts like a marker showing where your quiz begins. Now duplicate this slide. On the new slide, take your inner bar and carefully decrease its length just a bit. Imagine the bar emptying to reflect less time or fewer questions remaining. Don't rush this part, try to be consistent with how much you shrink it slide by slide so your animation looks smooth. For each stage of your quiz, make another copy of the previous slide, again shrinking the bar a little more each time. Before you know it, you'll have a series of slides, each one showing the progress bar moving a step closer to empty as the quiz advances. Now, to really bring this to life, let's add an animation transition. Select all your slides and choose the Match and Move transition from Canva's animation options. This creates a seamless flow between slides, so your progress bar doesn't just jump, it glides, making your video feel polished and professionally edited. Once you've made all your copies and added the animations, you're done. Feel free to preview your work, play through the slides to see your animated progress bar in action. You can adjust colors, timings, or images until it matches your vision. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or get stuck in any step, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you and helping out. And if you want more simple, creative tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.